What?
Sand is in my shoe. We can go through this way.
Cool.
What? Okay.
Oh, they're painting already. Oh, tell them not to touch nothing.
Hey, don't touch the walls, you guys!
They already painted.
Taylor repairs, it could be wet.
Well,
It stinks in here.
it's paint.
Wow.
It's not wet.
I know, but it's...
Paint still.
Oh, I got a squirrel! There. He was just running across the dirt road.
Oh, they put the floor things in too, which are very off.
Weren't they supposed to do this up high?
What?
The speakers?
No, I told them to keep them low, and I'm gonna come in and put them in here, so that it's not a plate.
Why don't you